wood! How deadly is a 60-pound anvil? I would be crushing items from soft to rock hard. Starting with disco ball, wood!
Oh my god. Such a pretty disco ball.
Disco ball had no chance. Magic 8 ball, 2, wood!
Oh wow.
I don't think it survived. What do you guys think? What's inside a jawbreaker? 3, 2, 1!
Crushed to pieces. Wow.
Fire extinguisher, wood!
That's gonna burst. Is it?
It completely flattened it. Bowling ball, wood!